What up, everybody? Iron-Pixie 88 here with one last opening for the night. I wanted to do this Mickey mystery figure capsule opening after seeing the mini one earlier today. So let's get to opening. But first, let's find out a little bit about it. There are figures and stickers inside. And it doesn't, 9 surprises inside. Alright, let's get to opening. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's inside. I forgot about the confetti here. Oh, that's the wrong bag there. Alright, let's get to opening. Alright, we got the most original Mickey figure, I bet. Okay, we got the standing backwards or sideways figure. Oh, we got a mini. Oh, cool. We got Pluto. I think that's his name anyway. Alright, we got Goofy. Minnie. I think this is a duplicate of one. Oh, no. Okay, they are different. Yep, and we got Donald Duck. Alright, and then we have stickers. You know what? I got scissors here. Alright, we got Mickey, Goofy, Donald Duck. I don't know who that is. And Mickey. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Later.